This is Sunila from It's My Twist by Sunila. As you can see, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm visiting my daughter in Denver, Colorado, and my daughter Namrata really wanted to see how to make shrimp pickle, also known as Kolombica lonzo. I have always used Bedecker pickle masala, but I couldn't find it here in Denver, Colorado, so I found Swat pickle masala. I think it is easily available in all grocery stores, Indian grocery stores in US. So let's get going. So here are the ingredients. As you can see, there is small shrimp I have taken. Then this is pickle masala, lots of chopped garlic, oil, garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and of course lemon juice. I think I forgot to keep it here, but there is also lemon juice that needs to be added later. Please pause here for the list of the ingredients and please click on the title of the video for full and complete recipe. So I have mixed turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, garlic paste and salt. Mix it well and keep it aside for at least 15 minutes. Make sure that you put the shrimp on a paper towel so that paper towel will soak all the water and shrimp is almost dry, because we want to make sure there is no moisture when you fry the shrimp in a pan. So take a pan, put little bit of oil. Once hot, put the marinated shrimp, which is marinated for about 15 minutes, and saute it till the shrimp is cooked. Do not overcook it. We do not want to make shrimp stiff, but it is just rightly cooked. Saute it. It took me about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes for the shrimps to get cooked. Once they are cooked, keep it aside and cool them completely. Now heat the oil, and once the oil is really hot, only then you add chopped garlic. We need lots of oil, lots of garlic and lots of salt to make sure that this shrimp pickle or Kolombica lonzo is preserved for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Do not overcook the garlic. You do not want to burn the garlic. Just make sure it is golden brown and not, because if you burn it, the shrimp pickle will taste very bad. So make sure it is just slightly golden brown. Keep it aside and cool this garlic in oil completely. It should be completely cooled. Garlic in oil and sauteed shrimp must be completely cooled. Now this is just an assembly of all the ingredients. Put the cooked or sauteed shrimp in a bowl. Add pickle masala. Here I have used Swat pickle masala, really good. I found it better than Bedecker pickle masala. I'm being very honest here. I liked it better than Bedecker pickle masala. This is Swat, and this is garlic in oil, which we cooked some time ago, sauteed, and it's completely cooled. Salt. We also added lemon juice. Mix everything, and you can store it in a glass bottle or glass jar easily for 3 to 4 weeks. That's it. Shrimp pickle or Kolombica lonzo is ready. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, and please click on the title of the video for full and complete recipe, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.